But I think the reason why, because it happened all in like 45 days, me getting struck by lightning. I think the reason why the Lord struck me with lightning was because he wanted me to know if I didn't do the things that he told me to do, that he can come get me any, like, just think about it. I coached football for 16 years. I'm most comfortable on the football field. But if he come get me anytime he wants to, and I can't stop it. So he let me know that if I don't do what he tells me to do, that he'd come get me. So, I have a very healthy fear.